what is up, guys? Welcome back to RaceCon Network. If you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Today we're going to be doing a point of view on the MHD Stage 1 tune. That's what I have uploaded onto the car right now. I also have a charge pipe and intakes. That's it. So you guys will see. I just kind of want to give you guys an idea of how fast it makes your car, and it is a big difference from stock. So if you guys have a stock 335i and you're thinking about going to Stage 1, I'm on Stage 1 Plus actually, but if you're thinking about going to Stage 1 Plus, then I highly recommend it. All you really need for it is a charge pipes, just because those tend to break on the stock cars. I have full bolt-ons in my basement that are getting installed this week, so this car is gonna be super fast, and I also have wheels coming in and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that, guys. In another video we're shooting today, I'm gonna let my boy drive this car, and I think he's gonna go pretty crazy, so we'll see how that goes, guys. Enjoy the video. Alright, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to give you guys a little point of view on how this thing runs on a Stage 1 Plus tune. It's making about 380, 400, I would say. Crank, that is, not to the wheels. It's super fun. If you're thinking about doing it, I highly recommend it. Once you hit boost in Stage 2, or in once you hit boost in what's it called, second gear, it just moves, man. And I'm telling you, like, from stock to now is just absolutely crazy how much horsepower it's gained. That's a really good place to do a pull. This freaking lockdown's still going on, so got an issue with that, but content will be coming soon, man. I'm trying to keep you guys entertained and trying to give you guys some knowledge on the cars that I have right now, and then obviously the fun will come when we're getting into the racing and riding around with friends and stuff like that. Right now I'm just going to my friend's house. We're going to shoot a video of him driving the car. I want to see what he thinks about it. Should be quite fun. He's gonna go probably nuts in this thing, which is hilarious. Oh, that blow-off valve sounds so good. Yeah, guys, so in the basement, I just wanted to keep you guys updated as well. In my basement, I have big-ass intercooler. I have what's it called? Not charge pipe, down pipes. I have got an oil catch can for this thing. I hate how oil gets in. I have it for my Camaro too. I just hate how oil gets in the engine, so I highly recommend that as well. So I got down pipes and an intercooler in the basement, and then I also have inlets in my trunk. The inlets in the trunk are gonna, this car is gonna be pushing 500, 480 to the wheels, I feel like. Hopefully, after, you know, pumps and stuff like that. I'm gonna be on an E-map as well. I'm gonna go Stage 2 Plus with the E-map, so it should be pretty good. Plans for this car, I think I'm gonna go single turbo in the future, just for the heck of it. I am gonna get a Z06 at the end of the year sometime, hopefully, so kind of saving up for that. I also have a ton of money. I got $2,000 rims. I have what's it called, springs coming in, or coilovers. I have just so much stuff coming for the car. Carbon fiber splitter, a little lid and trunk lid in the back, side skirts. This thing's gonna be crazy. Tints, all that. I'm fully blacking it out with not gonna give you the rims yet, but fully blacking it out. You guys will have to stay tuned for the rims. So yeah, we're just gonna go to my buddy's house. Let me give you guys a couple more pulls, because whoops, Didn't have traction control off that whole time. I knew something was off. It wasn't pulling as hard as it usually does. So I was like confused as fuck. There you guys go. Nice little straightaway for y'all. Get over this little bump right here. Woo! That thing gets to moving, man. Holy shit. Whew, that was quick, man. The wheels were spinning. That road was really bad to do a pull on. It was so bumpy. That's crazy, man. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos as well. I'm trying to, like I said, trying to keep you guys entertained. We're really not supposed to be out right now. That's why I'm kind of going through neighborhoods and stuff like that. But good content to come, man. I'm telling you, good content to come. This car is going to be absolutely, completely changed. It's going to look so sick. Whoop. Let the boost build. Sheesh. Alright guys, take it easy. I'm gonna head out. Maybe one more little. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna head out. Let me take this off my head. I'm about to head out. Hair probably looks terrible. I'm about to post this for you guys just to kind of show you a point of view on pulls in the 335 N54 with a stage 1+ tune. And it's a MHD tune. Just to let you guys know. You can just upload it to your car with your device, tablet, or a Samsung or some Android. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Take it easy guys, like and subscribe.